See, that's not it. Okay. Hope you guys can hear it.
Oh my God. I watched this.
It's pretty simple. Your first line is, my name is Claude. So just repeat after me. Je m'appelle Claude.
Je te coupe, Claude.
Let's try it again.
Okay.
Je m'appelle Claude.
Je te plie, Blue.
It's not quite what I'm saying.
Really? Sounds exactly the same to me.
Does? Really?
Yeah,
All right, let's just try it again.
Okay.
Really listen.
got it.
Je m'appelle Claude.
Je te flie.
Oh, mon Dieu.
Oh, the fouf.
Je m'appelle Claude.
Je te cold blue.
No. Okay, maybe if we just break it down. Okay, let's just try it one syllable at a time. Okay, so repeat after me. Je
Je
m'appelle.
m'appelle.
Great. Okay, faster. Je m'appelle.
m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Mais poupou.
It's too hard. I can't teach you.
What are you doing?
I have to go before I put your head through a wall.
No, Cole, I need you. My audition is tomorrow. Je blue blah. Be happy. Oh blah.
Count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hein? Blue, blah, flu, blank.
Good job.
Thank you. Hey,
Joey, listen, I feel really badly about yesterday, and I thought about it a lot. No, I was too impatient. So let's try it again.
oh no, that's okay. I don't need your help. I worked on it myself, and I gotta say, I am pretty good.
Really? Can I hear some of it?
Sure. Okay. Blé de la blé de blue blah blé. See?
You're not speaking French!
Oh, well, I think I am, yeah, and I think I'm definitely gonna get the part.
How could you possibly think that?
For one thing, the guy on the tape said I was doing a good job.
In our lesson 1, it's pretty, I can share again my screen. Sorry. Oops. That's not there. Oops. Okay. So some of you remember this, some of you that were in a previous class a couple weeks ago. Let's probably get rid of that. Okay. 1 second.
No.
Oh, there's someone. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. So we're going to learn today the 5 senses in French. First of all, can anyone say it in English what the 5 senses are? So we're on the same page.
I believe there are 5 senses, and there are taste, hear, touch, speak, and smell.
Yes, perfect. Yeah, so today we're going to learn them in French. As you can see here, they are listed what they are, and then after we'll do some activities with like what parts of the body we use and how we call them in French and what we do with them. So the first one, as you can tell here, let's pronounce it first. Louis. Louis.
Louis.
Yeah, everyone. Can I hear you guys saying Louis? Louis. Okay. Yeah. So Louis in French is to hear, the sense to hear. So Louis. Louis. Okay. Now, l'odorat. L'odorat.
Odorat.
L'odorat. Yeah, this one is to smell. L'odorat. So Louis, to hear. L'odorat, to smell.
Mhm.
Okay, now the third one. Does anyone remember what the third one means? If not, it's okay. It's been a while. No?
No, this is my first class.
Okay. So le goût. Le goût. Le goût. This means taste. The sense to taste. Okay. Now the fourth one. La vue. La vue. La vue. Yeah. This one is sight. To see. The noun sight. Okay, the last one, le toucher. Le toucher. This means to touch, and the English word is basically in there. So you can get that one right. So let's repeat it one more time before we move forward. So Louis. Okay. L'odorat.
Odorat.
L'odorat. Le goût.
Le goût.
La vue.
La vue.
Et le toucher.
Le toucher.
Okay. So if we go here. Oh, no, okay. So the first one, what is this girl doing?
She's smelling flowers.
Yeah. Okay. And we use our nose, right, to smell. And so in French, nose is nez. Nez. Oh.
Can you write it out?
Okay. Yeah. 1 second. How? I don't know. Annotate. Let's see, hopefully it works. Okay. Avec mon nez means with my nose, and then je means I, and then je sens. And we don't pronounce the S. So avec mon nez, je sens. Can we repeat that sentence, everyone?
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Good job. Okay. Now the second one. This girl, what is she doing? She's, I don't know, hugging her blanket.
Doing something?
Yeah, she's touching it. So we would say with my hands, I touch. And in French, we would say avec ma main. I mean, let's put it. But I mean, I guess you can say avec mes mains because 2 hands. Avec mes mains, with my hands. Je, I touch. Je touche. Can we say avec ma main? Avec mes mains, je touche.
Avec ma main, je touche.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, let's go one by one now. I'll go first from the top.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is avec mon nez, je sais, right?
Je sens.
Je sens.
Yeah, good job.
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Yes, good job.
Okay. Now, Baharet, you do it, Baharet.
Okay. Avec mon nez, je sens.
Okay. And let's go to Aryan.
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Okay. Let's go Ali Reza.
Avec mon main, je sens.
Okay. Let's go to Sajideh.
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Okay. Let's go to Yasna.
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Avec mon main, je sens.
One more time.
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Avec mon main,
Mon nez.
avec mon nez, je sens.
Okay. Maria, you repeat a couple of times so we listen.
Okay, so the first one, avec mon nez, je sens. Avec mon nez, je sens.
Avec mon nez, je sens.
Mhm. Mhm.
The second one,
Okay. So I'll say it one more time and then we can all share. So, avec mes mains, je touche. Avec mes mains, je touche.
avec mes mains, je touche.
Yes.
One question. Why do we add the le in the at the beginning of the le oui, le droit, le que, le veut, and le touche? Why do we add the le?
Well, we don't need to, but it's like the like we would say the smell or the sight.
Oh, it's an article.
Yeah, it's an article. You don't need to remember this for now, but the workbook provided it. But yeah, it's the article before to say the hearing or the touch, the smell, the. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Okay.
Sid, did you want to say number 2?
Avec mon main, je touche.
Avec mes mains, je touche.
Avec mes mains, je touche.
Okay.
Okay, Bahare, let's go.
Avec mes mains, je touche.
Good. Sajide,
Avec mes mains, je touche.
good. Ali Reza,
Avec mes mains, je touche.
Aryan,
Avec mes mains, je touche.
Sean. Where is Sean anyway?
That's not here.
Okay. The Yasna.
Avec mes mains, je touche.
Okay, did I get everyone right? Okay, now let's go back to Maria. Go ahead, please.
Okay, now the third one. Sorry. Third one. Okay, so this guy, what is he doing? He is looking, at a painting, picture, I don't know. So we'd say, with my eyes, I see. And in French, with my, avec mes yeux is the word for eyes. Avec mes yeux, je vois. Okay, so we say, avec mes yeux, je vois. It's a bit tricky to pronounce yeux, but you can try. Avec mes yeux, je vois. Okay, Sid, do you want to try it?
Avec mes yeux, je vois.
Yeah, good job.
Let's go, Bahare.
Avec mes yeux, je vois.
Good. Next, Sajide.
Avec mon nez, je vois.
Okay. Maria, correct it, please.
That was pretty good, the last one.
Was good? Okay.
Yeah.
Just one more time, you say it.
Uh-huh.
You
Oh,
say
me.
it,
Okay,
please.
sorry. Avec mes yeux, je vois.
Okay, Ali Reza,
Avec mes yeux, je vois.
Yasna,
Yeah.
Avec mes yeux, je vois.
Arshia,
Je vois.
Arshia,
Avec
Mes yeux,
mes yeux,
je vois.
je vois.
okay, Aryan,
Avec mes yeux, je vois.
perfect. Okay, just remember the class might be finishing anytime.
Oh,
So
that's
from
true.
now on, every Saturday, this time is going to be French class. And what Maria is going to assign, what she wants to do, see this page? I want all of you get a copy of this. It is in the website. Does anyone know how to go to the website? Anyone? Ali Reza, you show the rest of the student to how to go to the website. And I want individually put your name on it and do this and email it to Maria.